With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello students, today's question is an assertion and reason type of question. So what the assertion says here, DNA replication is energetically a very expensive process, and the reason says that unwinding of DNA strand is an active process while pairing of bases is a passive process. So to answer this question, we have given 4 options. With this 4 options, we have to select any one option which correctly suits the question. So to answer this question, first we have to know whether assertion is true and the reason is true, and we have to verify that whether reason is explaining the assertion correctly. So let's start. Assertion says that DNA replication is energetically a very expensive process. So this statement is absolutely true. Why? In DNA replication, we have to have many enzymes. So in DNA replication, we have to have many enzymes that needs ATP, and we have to have many protein factors, that is bases, and we have to have amino acids. Many protein factors are required on the DNA replication. So these protein factors and enzyme need energy to speed up the reactions or to make the reaction. So DNA replication is energetically a very expensive process. It is not a currency made, so it is energetically a very expensive process, that is ATP. They need ATP very highly. So what is the reason says here? Unwinding of DNA is an active process while pairing of DNA or pairing of bases is a passive process. So this statement is absolutely false, because unwinding of DNA strand is a passive process. It is not an active process, it is a passive process, because unwinding of DNA strands is made by a helicase and topoisomerase enzyme. So they do not need more energy, but they are passive process. So but pairing of bases is an active process, because we are actively adding the bases which are required, and we have to check whether these bases are right or not with the help of DNA dependent DNA polymerase. So this is active process. This is actively added one by one. So this is an active process, but unwinding of DNA strand is a passive process. It done by automatically. So which is the right answer here? Option A, if both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion, this is not the right answer, because reason is false. And option B says that assertion and reason are true. This is also not the right answer. And option C says that assertion is true and the reason is false. So this is the right answer, because assertion is true and the reason is false. Option D says that if both assertion and reason are false, this is not the right answer, because assertion is right here. DNA replication is energetically a very expensive process, so this is true. And reason, unwinding of DNA strand is a passive process, so it is not, it is false. It is a passive process while pairing of bases is an active process. So reason is false and reason is not explaining the assertion correctly. So assertion is true. Assertion is only true in the statement. So if assertion is true but the reason is false, is the right answer here. That is option C is the right answer here. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.